In this video, we will cover how to create applications in bulk using the Okta Apps collection in Postman. Please keep in mind that to complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click on the Run in Postman button next to the Apps collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the app's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, you will need to set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article, How to Integrate Postman with Okta. You will find the link in the description of the video. Then, expand the apps collection and the Add Application folder within it. In this demonstration, we will add a custom SAML 2.0 app. In the body of the request, modify the values as necessary. Here, we are simply updating the label and the URL. When the changes are done, click on Save. Next, navigate to the menu button located to the right of the Add Applications folder and choose Run folder. Uncheck all of the requests except for the one that you want to run. Set the number of iterations to specify how many times it will run. If you want to see the responses to each request in Postman, check the box Persist Responses for a session. Lastly, click on Run Apps to run the requests. If everything is set up correctly, you will receive a 200 OK response, and the newly created applications will be displayed in the response body. The apps can also be seen by navigating to the Okta admin dashboard and viewing the applications page. Looking more closely at one of the apps, we can also see that the URL we entered in Postman is correctly configured within the app settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.